Hi, you've reached the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is the Root Chakra Daily reading for Mondays. Today, our question for this set of cards is, how can I feel supported, connected, and safe in my body to know that I am grounded in pure spirit? And from the first Oracle card deck, we have the card Trust. Its affirmation is, I set my intention and trust in my abilities to improve my circumstances. And for these readings, I always call in the energies from either the root or the heavenly realms, or sometimes both, to add a little support to our traditional chakras. So from the Earth Heart Chakra, we will be using the Mother Mary Oracle deck. And we have the card Our Lady of Divine Presence. There comes a time on our spiritual path when that which was once idea or philosophy is ready to become a living experience. It can be a time of exhilaration and excitement as one begins to live by metaphysical principles, building reliance upon trust, prayer, and intuition, and the benevolent guidance and protection of unconditionally loving higher beings such as Mother Mary. It is the beginning of taking one's spiritual life beyond ideas and into a living, breathing reality. As this happens, the soul can relax into life and many opportunities open up. This happens repeatedly in increasing degrees throughout our life path. We soften and open to allow in more divine light and learn how to live it with trust. While this is a continuing work in progress for us spiritually, there are milestones that we achieve, which mark times when we are able to shift up a notch in our spiritual frequency. In such moments, we are becoming more capable of allowing the divine presence to live in us, less obstructed by the workings of our ego. Once this happens, to a certain degree, healing can flow through us, whether we consider ourselves to be a healer or not. This healing energy has a constructive effect on our own life and the lives of those around us. Our Lady of Divine Presence also confirms that you are capable of bringing healing energy into the world when you allow yourself to trust her and open your heart. It just flows. If you are considering embarking upon a career as a healer or deepening your healing practice to bring in other modalities such as energetic healing, you are acknowledged as having the ability to do this and divine support in doing so. If you're going through a healing process and feeling emotional intensity at times, she guides you to stay with your process and let the body shed old emotional pain to become more free. She confirms that the life changes that are happening for you or will be happening soon are a result of your spiritual growth and are to be trusted and accepted. Finally, if you have been connecting with guidance and wondering if it is genuine guidance, you are encouraged to continually pray for guidance that is based in unconditional love and trust. Yes, you can consciously receive such guidance. Tune into your heart and trust. Thank you. That's just a little short, sweet reading. I'll be doing one of these each day for each of our chakras, from the root up to the crown chakra. So hope that you'll join me for more of these. Take care.